Hi, my name is Christine De Silva. I'm also an author and I've written a number of books I am still currently writing. If you're interested, please check out the description box below. Today I'm making Singapore noodles. Singapore noodles is a dish of stir-fried rice noodles, curry powder, scrambled eggs and meat. You can also use fish or prawns. If you're vegetarian, you can use paneer in place of the meat or prawns. The curry powder is the signature flavor in Singapore noodles. So now let's start. So first we're going to take about 3 cups of rice noodles. You have to use rice noodles for this recipe. You use firm noodles like rice noodles. And I have taken a kadai and fill it with water. Now you don't have to measure the water. Just fill the kadai completely with water and a little salt, say about a teaspoon of salt. Now when the water comes to a boil, I've added the noodles. Now this is important. The water must come to a boil first. Then the noodles will be added. I've also added about 1-2 teaspoons of oil because this will help the noodles not to be clumpy and not to stick together. Now I cook the noodles till it is done. Do not overcook. As soon as they are done, using a slotted spoon, as you can see I'm stirring with a slotted spoon, and then put it in a colander to drain. So as you can see, I'm draining now all the excess water, and the cooked noodles I'm putting in a colander. They are not overcooked because if they are overcooked, then they can get clumpy. And I've added about again 1-2 teaspoons of oil so that they remain moist and they do not stick together. Now take the kadai and I've added about a tablespoon or 2 of oil, and now I've added about 100 grams of corn and 100 grams of bean sprouts. You can use any bean sprouts, mung beans, matki beans. Yeah, now we're going to cook it. I've also added 1/4 cup of water just to hasten the cooking process. I didn't want to add more oil. So once it is cooked, I've added now about 400 grams of prawns. If you are not using prawns, you can use chopped paneer. And I've also used mushrooms, about 100 grams of mushrooms. I've chopped the mushrooms. And we're going to cook all these together. That is the beans, the corn, the prawns and the mushrooms. I've also added 2 teaspoons of curry powder and added 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. As I said before, curry powder gives a signature flavor to this dish. I've used Indian curry powder. There are various kinds of curry powder, but I've used the ordinary Indian curry powder. Now once it is cooked, it will take a little time. You keep it aside. Now in another kadai, which is bigger than the first kadai, I've added oil, say about 1-2 tablespoons of oil, and I've also added 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Once I've done that, I've added the noodles which were cooked and drained, and I've added about 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can add the soy sauce slowly in batches. Stir so that it is well incorporated. Here you can see I've added it slowly and then kept on stirring till it is well incorporated. As you can see, the noodles are not clumpy, they must be separated. So the addition of little oil in the beginning while boiling and after it is cooked did make a big difference in not getting clumpy noodles which stick together. Now I've added all the ingredients that we have cooked before, that is the prawns, the corn, the bean sprouts and the mushrooms. So as you can see, it is a very balanced and a healthy dish. I've also added lettuce. If you don't want to use lettuce, you can use green beans, you can use any green vegetables like capsicum which is chopped. To keep the lettuce fresh and crisp, you can dunk it in cold water for a little while and then add it. So basically I'm stir frying now everything by mixing it up well together. Now I've also added about 1-2 teaspoons of honey. Tomato ketchup is not generally used, but just for a little extra flavor, I have added 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. If you want, you can skip it. It is not necessary. Now cook for around 5 minutes and serve. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.